Alright, I want to see if we can trick Revit a little bit. We had an example of how Revit sometimes won't update the material changes and that you have to open and close the file to get it to update. So let's see if we can trick it a little bit. So right now you can see that my section is filled with a red crosshatch for this and that I'm in level 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to East Elevation, and my visibility graphics is unchecked for mass in here, but it doesn't really matter. And I'm going to close my hidden windows. So that means that this is the only window that I have open. And I'm going to go to my materials dialog box. There's another way to get to your materials other than going through the imported objects tab. You can go to manage, and there's a materials right here. So you can type or select the materials. It's going to bring up your materials. And there's that form to matte. And so I'm just going to change this to a solid, and I'm going to change it to gray again. Click OK and click OK, and of course none of that's going to show up here, but let's go ahead and open up level 2, and you can see that it's updated. Now all of these are updated. Right, so for some reason, if you have something current, like if I have this current and I go to my materials, and let's see if it will not work again. Let's change it to masonry concrete. Click OK. It doesn't change, but it changes in the new ones, as we saw. Oh, let's see. Let's go to level 4. Changes in the new ones that haven't been open. But for some reason, let's see if I go to East Elevation again, close hidden windows, go to materials. Now it may not work because I opened those up again, but let's give it a shot. I'll go ahead and change this to solid and change it to red. Click OK, click OK. Let's go to level 1 and see if it's... Now it updates. So maybe that's a little trick you can use. Is just odd as it is, go to like a non-section view, change the material, make sure you close all hidden windows when you change the material, and then reopen the material, reopen the windows, and it should update. So it's very strange, but nevertheless it works.